It's been 8 years since I left my home country, and a lot has changed. My first stop was Marmag Bukidnon. This is where my grandma lives. And this place is more on the countryside, so there's nothing much a lot to do in here. But I do love this place. And it makes you really appreciate the simplicity of life and just being around with family. I was not really sure about this place at first, as I thought this was more of a tourist trap and the swimming with the whale shark was more of a gimmick, but I was really wrong. The area we stay in is very chill, and the people are very nice, but man, having the chance to swim next to these huge magical creatures is surely an experience of a lifetime. And I think everyone should try it at least once in their life. My last few days in there, I just really didn't do anything. I just catch up with my friends and family. A lot of things have changed in those 8 years, but the people there are still happy, they're still very welcoming and very smiley, and that's what I miss about my home country.